Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. Sometimes a nice dish needs a sauce to make it taste even better. It basically completes the meal. It's like the cherry on top of the sundae. Well, maybe not exactly, but you get the idea. In this video, I have a great sauce that goes so well with several recipes. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my honey mustard dipping sauce. Sweet and tangy, this is a tasty condiment to have around. Not only does it go well with chicken, but also with other proteins such as fish and pork. This recipe is incredibly easy to make, so there's no excuse for not making it at home. So my friends, let's get cooking. In a mixing bowl, we'll combine mayonnaise. Now if you want to make your own, I have a great recipe, so click on the top right corner to get it. We'll also add lemon juice, some honey, and if you want a great kitchen trick when handling sticky ingredients, you know what to do. We'll add prepared mustard, then Dijon mustard, some freshly ground black pepper, and a pinch of ground sea salt. We'll whisk our ingredients well until it gets nice and smooth. Voila! And my friends, this is our honey mustard dipping sauce. This easy recipe takes no longer than 10 minutes. This is a great dipping sauce, and for those of you out there who love chicken fingers, this is a natural choice. Talking about chicken fingers, my recipe for them will be posted next week. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!